Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. Today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to create this type of trendy text effect by using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. Before watching this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel Design Dynamo and hit that bell icon and select all options so you will be notified whenever I release a new video content. So let's jump on in. Now guys, let's get started. First, we're just going to create a new file. Go to File and create a new document. And here we're just going to write a dimension like 2000 width, 2300 height. And let's create. And here just type any letter you want. So I'm going to type DD, which is my channel logo, Design Dynamo. So here I'm just going to increase the text size and simply just go to file and export this file as a JPEG file. And here just select export. And here just going to write design. We just save this file. And after that, we just go to website, Adobe Firefly. Here you'll see Adobe Firefly, get Firefly free. And after this, I'm going to write a prompt here, inflated puffy shapes made of black soft cotton folds and wrinkles on materials isolated on white background and hit generate. Here we're just going to sign to our Google account. That's it. And you'll see it's okay. And here you will see according to our prompt, Adobe Firefly generate our picture according to our description. And there you will see. And here you will download any of one of the image. So I'm going to download this option. And after this, we're just going to go to there in the left hand side, you'll see there is an option called structure reference. So here I'm just going to upload our text image where this one DD and hit open, hit continue and increase the strength all. And under the reference style, you just select the picture which I downloaded, this one which is generated by Firefly, and nothing to do, just generate, hit generate. And look at this guys, check out the options and how quickly you create this kind of trendy text style. You check the options which you want to like and you can download and use it. Now guys, this is all about how to create a trendy text effects by using Photoshop and Adobe Firefly. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.